today, Bruce?
We're going to lightly lube the hood latch. It was pretty dry. This is the release lever for out here, and this looks pretty good. Real good. Okay. So this spring, this real shiny guy, he's got to have a little grease on it. And then it's got a little bumper here for the spring. And down here, you can see it. So you can see maybe look a little shiny crescent moon down in there. Yeah, you can see that. There it is. Mm-hmm. And that needs to be greased because that bites in to a lip that's on this little plunger guy. I don't think I'm strong enough to push the spring back. And that release cable underneath the dashboard pulls that back.
What are we applying?
We're applying molybdenum disulfide graphite grease. This is a high temp, high pressure, extreme. I mean, I'm going way overboard here on this, but it's what I got. This is the stuff the VW puts in their constant velocity joints to make them last 3 times as long. It's the best grease out there. I use it for everything. Not necessarily the brand name Sta-Lube, but extreme pressure Moly-Graph grease. It has molybdenum disulfide additive. That's a dry lubricant powder. And graphite. And you all know what graphite is. Now, you keep an eye on that. And I'm just see if that ridge, or that little lip moves.
Okay. This is on it. It's moving.
Oh, boy, it's a lot easier now. And then we'll do it my dad's way. Just put a little dab on your finger and smear it around in there. Right around the lip. Just enough to give the lip a real light coating. A little bit on there, too. So smear it around. I learned all my greasing techniques from my dad. He was started out in automotive as a grease monkey, changing oil. I think he once said the 1927 Buick had 46 grease points plus the shackles. Well, they've done a little better since then. You don't have 46 grease points anymore, do you? Okay, that's it.